Welcome grade 7s to our second virtual poetry lesson. Let's quickly revise the following terms before we move on. Personification. That's when you give a non-human object human qualities. Hyperbole. That's when something is exaggerated for effect. Alliteration. That's when the same consonant sound is repeated in the same sentence. An example from a poem by William Blake. Tiger, tiger, burning bright. Here, the alliteration of the T and the B sounds are clear. Onomatopoeia is the imitation of sounds made by something else. We use words to imitate those sounds. An example from the poem by Phil Buffalo. Pitter, pitter, pat, pat. Here, the words pitter, pitter, pat, pat imitates the sound of raindrops. Onomatopoeia is a very long word, so if you struggle with the spelling, just listen up. O, no, mat, op, hu, I, a. And there you have it. Let's look at the following poem, Bells by Edgar Allan Poe. Hear the sledges with the bells, silver bells. What a world of merriment their melody foretells! How they tinkle, tinkle, tinkle in the icy air of night, while the stars that oversprinkle all the heavens seem to twinkle with a crystalline delight, keeping time, time, time in a sort of runic rhyme to the tintinnabulation that so musically wells from the bells, 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 bells. Bells, 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 from the jingling and the tinkling of the bells. Let's analyze this excerpt. Here the poet states that the bell is foretelling or predicting something. Bells can neither foretell nor predict anything. A human quality is given to this non-human object. This is called personification. All the heavens seem to twinkle. When you think of all the heavens, the universe comes to mind. That's an exaggeration, also known as hyperbole. T, t, t. The T sound of tinkle, tinkle, tinkle is called alliteration because the T sound is being repeated. Again, the T, T, T sounds are being repeated as well as the B, B, B sounds. Two more examples of alliteration. This time we are only concerned with onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is when we use words to imitate a sound. Here the words tinkle, 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 jingling, and tinkling are the words to imitate the sounds of a bell. Listen to the following sound clip. When you are asked to describe that sound in words, you would often use the words tinkle, jingling, or tinkling. That's why this is considered onomatopoeia. Attached to this file, you will see there is a worksheet, Week 4, Part 2. Please complete that as indicated. Keep well, stay safe, and see you soon.